Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello, today I will show you how to draw beautiful shapes. Watch the video till the end. We need red color, blue color, crimson color, pink color, green color, orange color. Let's start. First, I am drawing a circle. Woo! Please subscribe. Second, I am drawing square. Woo! It's hexagon. Woo!
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you?
It's heart.
Wow.
A B C D E F.
I am drawing triangle.
Woo!
It's quadrilateral.
Wow.
I am coloring a circle with green marker.
Woo!
Orange color for square. Pink color.
Woo!
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
And of course, red marker for the heart. Crimson color.
Woo!
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Blue color.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y.
If you like it, please subscribe. Goodbye.